Tapescript 2.4. Questions and answers. 1.
Has he got any children?
Yes, 2.
2.
How often does he see them?
Once a fortnight.
3.
Why doesn't he like the morning shift?
Because he has to get up at 4:30.
4.
How many hours a day does he work?
10.
5.
What does he like about his job?
He likes it because it's challenging and he likes working in a team.
6.
What does he think about while he's surfing?
He only thinks about surfing, nothing else.
7.
Where's he going next month?
Costa Rica.
8.
Is his business doing well?
Yes, it is. He's opening 2 shops.
9.
What do he and his friends do on Sunday evenings?
They eat barbecued fish and drink beer.